Hey everyone, okay, so today I am so excited because I have teamed up with CurrentBody, and CurrentBody are the most amazing company when it comes to skin health, and incredible products and devices that work for your skin. And I've collaborated with them on the Goss travel collection. Now this is a travel collection, but it's also an everyday collection. You can use this every single day and also while you're traveling. It is a compact, perfect collection of products that truly work. Now you'll also see a gorgeous code on the screen throughout, or popping in and out, depends on how I edit it, with Wayne Travel. Use that code to get this whole bundle at a discounted rate. So let me show you all the incredible goodies you're about to get. Now I've been a makeup artist for about 500 years or so, and I know how to pack when I'm traveling, and I like to pack products that are going to work, and I have no time for anything else in my schedule that isn't going to deliver results. And this collection, this Goss travel collection, is amazing. So let me show you it. Okay, so first up, we've got the CurrentBody Skin LED Eye Perfector. Now this has the same technology that the LED mask has, but these LED lights are arranged in a more targeted way, directly for the eyes. And this is in response to customers asking CurrentBody to create a product that is targeted for crow's feet and just general eye problems. Now, it has 4 powerful LED wavelengths, and it's targeted towards crow's feet, eye bags, dark circles, 11 lines, brow furrows, you know, those gorgeous things. It's pain-free and it's also hands-free. In fact, when it was released, it sold out in 4 days, which goes to show you how amazing it is and how popular this device is, because it works. Now, as you know, I have spoken about LED light treatments for a very long time now, and I love them. LED light therapy is one of the true and few things that truly work. It doesn't just tackle your standard anti-aging issues like lines and wrinkles and all those kind of things, which it does really well, but it tackles other things that I think are very important. Luminosity of the skin, brightness of the skin, those kind of things are just as, if not more important than lines and wrinkles. So LED light therapy works on all of those things. So you're not just dealing with 1 or 2 things, you've got this complete kind of spectrum of results that are happening with LED treatments. Now, as you know, I've used the CurrentBody Skin LED Light Therapy Mask for a long time now, a very long time, and I love it. But when I want something quick that's going to target my eyes, which have always been a problem for me, it's always been my problem area, and this is the device that I use now. Now, all you need to do is pop this on 6 days a week. I use it pretty much daily. The treatment takes a whole 3 minutes and it turns itself off. It's that simple. There's 80 professional strength LEDs in this. It truly is the best device. Now, I love a full LED mask, don't get me wrong, but I love the simplicity of this. I can just quickly pop it on, and in 3 full minutes, I'm gonna get excellent results, and all of us can find 3 minutes. Okay, a sleep mask. You ready? Dr. Harris sleep mask. Now, this is a revolutionary mask that looks like a sleep mask, but does far more. And this mask has been featured in Glamour, Tatler, Forbes, and many more, and for good reason. Now, normally a sleep mask really isn't my thing. I wouldn't normally have ever really considered a sleep mask, but this one actually works, and it doesn't just help you get to sleep and all the kind of benefits that sleep masks do. It actually does something that is so cool. So this is the world first anti-aging sleep mask. It has been clinically proven to reduce frown lines, and users saw an improvement in wrinkles in just 15 minutes. I'm not making it up, it's true. It's natural, pain-free, it's a silk mask that you wear while sleeping. Now, it's actually very complicated, and I'm not a very complicated person, but so basically the skin has, you know, receptors, and they're sensitive to pressure. And if you press the right ones, they relax the face. Really simple, right? So on the back, there's these bubbles behind the sleep mask, and if you gently press those receptors on your face, it kind of gives a relaxing effect to the skin, which also softens and relaxes the face and the frown lines. It's very cool, and I'm not doing a very good job of explaining it, but I'm a simple boy. It is quite extraordinary. When you use it, you will see. Now you can wear this for 15 minutes or just do as I do and go to sleep in it, which hopefully is 6 or 7 hours at night. If I'm lucky, which I'm not usually. Now all you do is pop it on. That's it. That simple. Go to sleep or leave it for 15 minutes. You can use your normal skincare routine. Absolutely no issues. Just make sure that it's absorbed. CurrentBody Skin Green Tea Eye Cream. Amazing. Boost circulation, which is what I need for my eye area. And green tea plus red light equals much quicker results. Hurrah. Now I use this underneath the sleep mask. So what I tend to do with this product is I actually, of course, I use the LED first because that's beautiful. Then I put a little bit of this eye cream on, gorgeous, let it absorb, and I stick my sleep mask on and I go night nights. And you also have CurrentBody Skin Daily Restoring Serum. Now this tackles uneven skin tone, uneven texture, has niacinamide, which of course reduces the appearance of large pores. It's just a powerhouse. Caffeine infused to plump and energize the skin as well. And you just get a clearer, more beautiful complexion with less breakouts. And it's suitable for all skin types. You can use it twice daily and it works amazing under makeup. And one of the best things about CurrentBody Skin is the price. It is ultra affordable and you get a huge amount of product as well, which is marvelous. There you go. That is the Wayne Goss travel collection. It is perfect. It is absolutely perfect. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, whenever you're traveling or wherever you are, every single day, you must wear sunscreen. For your face, I love Skin Ingredients. I think it's excellent. I love that sunscreen. And for the body, Dr. Sam. Amazing, absorbs straight away, mineral based, beautiful. Now also, just to kind of round things out, to keep the skin looking glorious, we've done our skincare, we're looking after it, we're doing LED light therapy, all those things are perfect, but we still need to even our skin out. I really like sheer products. So I often like to take a full coverage foundation and make it ultra sheer or just go for a tinted moisturizer. For me, Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer is just an excellent choice. It's a wonderful product and it has SPF in. Or my foundation, and I just shear it out so that it's like a wash of color on the skin. Either way, both work perfectly. And just a hint of color on the cheeks because I'm obsessed with blusher, obsessed with it. Tiny hint on the cheeks makes everything so much better. And there you go, the perfect collection. So a big thank you to CurrentBody for working with me to create such an amazing collection. You get the LED Eye Perfector, which is incredible. You get the sleep mask, yay. You also get the Daily Restoring Serum, and of course the Green Tea Eye Cream, which is epic. And don't forget to use the code WayneTravel to get all of this at a discounted rate. And of course, you get everything in a travel bag. So everything fits in, closes down, you can travel with it or just keep it at home, whatever works for you. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. All the information in the description bar. Thank you for your time. See you soon, bye-bye.